What is the Honeywell Lyric W1? Leaking water, whether from a kitchen tap, washing machine, or something else entirely, can lead to numerous problems. From a buildup of mold to rotting floorboards, there's a range of issues that rogue water can cause. The Honeywell Lyric W1 Wi-Fi water leak and freeze detector, to give it its full name, aims to detect a problem as soon as it happens, so that you can tackle it immediately. Honeywell Lyric W1, Design and Build. The Lyric W1 sports a functional, rather than attractive, design. But that's fine, since you'll most likely place it out of sight in the area that's most likely to suffer a leak. The box is battery powered via 3A batteries, removing the need for a power source close to where it's to be located. The design is flexible, too. At its most basic, you can just drop the box onto the floor, and its integrated sensors will pick up surface level moisture. Range can be extended by plugging in the bundled 1.2 m detection cable, which snakes out across the floor. Additional cables can be bought, around 18 pounds, to extend range even further. With 2 runs, I found that I could cover the undersink cupboard, dishwasher, and washing machine. If you think that an area may become flooded, the main W1 unit can be wall mounted to keep it safely out of the way. Having such a combination of options is useful. From inside the app, you get a summary of the W1's onboard temperature and humidity sensors. Since the Lyric W1 is battery powered, the default setting is to update this information once a day, reducing the amount of time that the sensor needs to power up and talk to Wi-Fi. In this mode, the batteries should last for around 3 years. Increase readings to twice daily and battery life drops to around 2 years. At 3 times daily, battery life is just a year. The humidity and temperature sensors can be used to alert you on reaching a high or low threshold. For example, if there's a risk of pipes freezing, you may want to know when the temperature drops to 5 degrees C, so that you have time to fix the issue before it's too late. Once the thresholds have been crossed, the Lyric W1 will warn you immediately, and you don't have to wait for the next scheduled update. There's no control over water detection. If the W1 picks up water via the cable or its integral sensors, you'll be given notice immediately. Honeywell Lyric W1, Performance. I found that water leaks are detected slightly faster with the main unit on the floor, compared to those detected with the extension cable alone. However, as the cable took only a minute or so longer to detect water, this isn't too much of a problem. You still have time to react to the issue. By default, the siren in the W1 goes off to offer an audible warning, but you also get a smartphone notification and email to indicate that water has been detected. The latter 2 methods are more convenient, since you'll receive notification whether your